What's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a blessed day everyone. Welcome back sa panibagong upload. Lahat po nang i-upload natin today, lahat po ito fresh from the bank repo cars, mga low mileage po at good as new condition. Lahat naman po ng unit natin ay mechanic inspected at na-scan ko na po ito. Lahat po ito best buy unit, kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng quality second hand cars, check this out mga idol at bossing ko. Alright, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Huwag na nating patagalin, ito na po sila. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, mayroon tayong 2023 Hyundai Creta 1.5 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 19,000 km, price 970,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Meron tayo ditong good as new condition na Hyundai Creta. Makinis po ito, wala po itong gas-gas, walang din. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, naka 8 inches touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Meron na rin tong drive assist, meron na rin tong cruise control, naka wireless charging na po ito at naka electronic handbrake, all power and all mechanism 100% working, naka factory two-tone leather interior, stylish design, elegant design po ang loob, naka deep dish mating na po yan kahit yung cargo bay. Check nyo engine bay nito under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 115 horsepower at 144 Nm of torque. May CASA markings pa po ang engine niyan with CASA records. No issue. Meron na rin tong reverse camera and rear parking sensor. Ang gwapo ng forma nitong Hyundai Creta. Naka 17 inches alloy wheels at makakapal pa ang mga gulong. Nasa 95% trade life. Next, 2023 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 7,000 km, price 630,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Meron din tayong first owned, good as new condition na Toyota Vios. Isa rin sa pinakamabentang sedan dito sa Pinas. Fuel efficient, naka CVT transmission, legit low mileage, pwede pong ipacheck sa kasa. Naka 6.75 inch touchscreen infotainment system. Meron na rin tong 4 speakers. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.3 liter dual VVTi gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Nothing to fix po ang unit na to, no issue. Sa mga naghahanap dyan na pwedeng ipasok sa Grab, pwede nyo rin pong i-consider itong mga bossing, best buy unit to. Just gas and go. Next, we have 2023 Toyota Veloz 1.5V, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 16,000 km, price 980,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Meron din akong sinamang good as new condition na 7-seater MPV Toyota Veloz. Ang gwapo po nito mga bossing at idol ko. Naka-keyless entry na rin to, push start button, multi-function steering wheel, mayroon na tong cruise control, may drive assist, naka 9 inches touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, may 360 camera na to at may reverse camera and sensor, naka wireless charging na rin to at naka electronic handbrake, kompleto po ang mga papel, may manual and booklet at may kasama pa tong dalawang original remote key. Second row nito, okay naman po ang space, fresh interior, amoy bago pa to, pwede sa masela na buyer, goods na goods pa to. Perfect to pang personal and family use. Under the bonnet, this Toyota Veloz powered by 1.5 liter inline-4 gasoline engine that produces 105 horsepower and 138 Nm of torque. Good running condition, no hidden defects, no issue. All stock, all original din po ang outside appearance ito. May daytime running lights. Wala rin po itong gas-gas, walang din. Next, meron din tayong 2022 MG ZS 1.5 style, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer 9,000 km, price 480,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng subcompact crossover SUV na below 500 ang budget, pwede nyo rin pong i-check tong MGZS mga bossing, low mileage lang po ito. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, 4-speed automatic transmission, smooth shifting, front wheel drive po ito. All power, all gauge, 100% working. Check nyo po actual mileage na tampered. Naka-premium factory leather seats, pati sidings po, maayos ang kondisyon yan. Good as new condition. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 112 horsepower at 115 Nm of torque. First owned unit din to, all stock, all original. Wala rin po itong gas-gas, walang din. Naka 16 inches alloy wheels at nasa 90% trade line pa po ang mga gulong neto. Good running condition, sasakyan mo na lang to. Next, we have 2023 Mitsubishi Expander 1.5 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine odometer, 7,000 km. Price, 880,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Sa mga galing sedan dyan na gustong mag-upgrade ng 7-seater MPV, meron tayo ditong good as new condition na Mitsubishi Expander. Naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, multi-function steering wheel, meron na rin tong cruise control, all power, all panel gauge, working po lahat. Low mileage lang po ito, kaya best buy unit. Malamig ang aircon nitong unit with automatic climate control. First owned unit, all intact ang interior, naka-fabric seats, wala naman pong damage at amoy bago pa to. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 103 horsepower at 141 Nm of torque. May mga CASA markings pa po ang engine yan with CASA records. Excellent engine condition, no issue. Kompleto pa tong manual and booklet at may dalawa pang original remote key. Outside appearance ito, smooth original shiny paint, makakapal pang mga gulong. Sasakyan mo na lang tong unit, ready for long drive. Next unit, meron din tayong 2023 Suzuki Ertiga 1.5 GL, automatic transmission, gas engine odometer, 11,000 km. Price, 680,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Another quality na 7-seater, mga idol at bossing ko, check nyo po ito. 2023 model at 11,000 km lang pong tinakbo. Good as new condition. All power and all mechanism, working po lahat. All intact po ito mga bossing, labas at saka loob. Perfect din tong unit pang personal and family use. Under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. Superb quality engine, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine that produces 103 horsepower at 138 Nm of torque. Outside appearance, flawless to. Wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent. Naka-stock original shiny paint pa po yan. Naka-stock alloy wheels at wala pong gutter marks. Mga gulong neto nasa 90% trade life. Next, 2024 Honda BRV 1.5S, automatic transmission, gas engine odometer, 3,000 km. Price, 920,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Meron din tayong gwapo na Honda BRV. Good as brand new condition, makinis din to. Wala rin itong gas-gas, walang dent. Push start button na rin to. Naka-touchscreen head unit with a reverse camera. First owned unit at may dalawang original remote key. Fresh unit. Only 3,000 km lang pong tinakbo nito. Legit. All power buttons, windows, doors, and mirrors. Working po lahat. 7-seater din ang capacity nito. Naka-fabric seats at wala naman pong damage. Under the hood, may mga CASA markings pa pong engine yan. Garantisadong wala pong issue. Malinis ang makina. Wala pong oil leakage. Wala pong overheat history. Ready for long drive po ang unit na to. Pilihan nyo na lang mga bossing ang mga 7-seater na niline up ko. Baka may makursunadahan kayo dyan. All goods naman po lahat yan. Pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aking Facebook account, Renato De La Tour Jr. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon. Next, 2020 Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.4G 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine odometer, 21,000 km. Price, 1,160,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Meron din akong sinamang quality na pickup. Naka-LED headlights na to at may daytime running lights. Naka-keyless entry na rin to, push start button, multi-function steering wheel, meron na rin tong cruise control, may eco mode and power mode. All stock, all original. Lahat po ng upuan nito naka-leather seats. 2020 model to pero only 21,000 km lang ang tinakbo. Hindi masyadong gamit ang unit. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan. Best buy unit din to at maayos ang kondisyon ng mapang ilalim nito. Wala rin po itong under chassis noise. Walang alampag. Under the hood, superb quality engine. Naka-Amaron battery na po ang engine yan. Wala pong oil leakage. Wala pong overheat history. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Formado na tong unit. Makinis. Wala po itong gas-gas. Walang dent at makakapal pang mga gulong. Nasa 90% trade life pa po. Kaya sa mga kababayan ko dyan na naghahanap ng quality na pickup, pwede nyo pong i-view to ng actual. Panalo to, hindi po ako mapapaya sa inyo. Next, 2021 Toyota Innova 2.8e, automatic transmission, diesel engine odometer, 25,000 km. Price, 970,000. Location, Santolan, Pasig City. Naka-multi-reflector halogen headlights na to. Multi-function steering wheel with audio and Bluetooth controls. Naka 6.75-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Meron na rin tong reverse camera. 6-speed automatic transmission with eco mode and power mode. 7 to 8 seater ang capacity. Smooth ang suspension nito. Wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, excellent engine condition. Malinis po ang engine nito. Wala pong oil leakage. Wala po itong overheat history. Naka 2.8 liter diesel engine that produces 172 horsepower at 360 Nm of torque. 100% not flooded unit po ito. 100% no accident history. Naka-garnish na rin ang mga ilaw nito. May rear parking sensor. First owned at makakapal pang mga gulong nito. Nasa 90% trade life. Nothing to fix, just diesel and go. Next, we have 2024 Suzuki Dzire 1.2 GL automatic automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 12,000 km, price 550,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng good as new condition na sedan, mayroon po tayo Suzuki Desire. Pwede nyo rin pong ipasok sa Grab to mga bossing. Smooth and responsive, 5-speed, automatic transmission, all power and all panel gauge, properly working. Naka-touchscreen head unit na rin to with auxiliary, iOS and Bluetooth ready. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.2 liter gasoline engine that produces 82 horsepower at 113 Nm of torque. Kompleto rin ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer at may kasama pa tong dalawang original key. Sa mga interesado po at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, meron din tayong 2024 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE, automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 3,000 km, price 650,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Good as new condition na Toyota Vios, 3,000 km lang ang tinakbo nito. Naka touchscreen head unit, power steering, naka dual SRS airbag, malamig po ang aircon with automatic climate control. Check nyo po actual mileage nitong unit, not tampered. Meron na rin tong reverse camera, kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan na pwedeng ipasok sa Grab na sedan, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Under the hood, naka 1.3 liter gasoline engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Kompleto naman ang tools nito at may spare tire, hindi po donut yan. Outside appearance nito, makinis, naka-stock original shiny paint, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent, naka-shark fin antenna na po yan. May kasama pang dalawang susi at 95% tread life pa ang mga gulong. Next, 2023 Mazda BT50 3.0L 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine odometer, 13,000 km, price 980,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Another quality na pickup mga bossing, baka may kursunada nito sa inyo. 6-speed, smooth and responsive, automatic transmission. Maayos din ang kondisyon nito, labas at loob. Naka-leather seat ang mga upuan. Naka-touchscreen head unit na rin to. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control. Check nyo po actual mileage nitong unit, not tampered. Good as new condition to, first owned. Goods na goods din po ang pickup na to. Best buy unit at only 13,000 km lang din mo ang tinakbo. Smooth ang suspension at wala po itong kalampag. Under the hood, naka 3.0 liter inline turbocharged intercooler diesel engine that produces 190 horsepower at 450 Nm of torque. Outside appearance ito, makinis, naka-stock original shiny paint, makakapal pang mga gulong, nasa 90% trade life, naka-LED headlights, pati tail lights. Sasakyan na lang to, just diesel and go. Next unit, meron tayong 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLX, automatic transmission, gas, engine odometer, 9,000 km, price 498,000. Location Santolan, Pasig City. Another quality na sedan mga bossing, pwede nyo rin tong ipasok sa Grab. Only 9,000 km lang ang tinakbo neto. Kompleto pa po yan, may manual and booklet at dalawang original key. Lahat po ng unit sa East Cars, available po sa cash, trade-in and financing. Alright, ayun na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video mga idol at bossing ko. Kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload, this is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!